Look at my car cover. It came off of my van and it's up in this tree. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. Alright, so I'm coming down here. I'm in my backyard. Wind's blowing like crazy right now. Bad, like crazy. Super loud. Just blew my car cover off the van. Come down here to look at this building. It looks like it really needs to be jacked up. But look at the water. It got way up here and completely went around my bus. I said a prayer and completely went around the bus. But wow. It is up there. See how close my bus is to the water? Wow. Got up here real close. I was lucky. Super lucky. I said a prayer, you know? And look, prayers work. It changed a lot down here. It kind of leveled some things out a little bit more. Definitely cleaned up a lot of the brush that was over here, so that's nice. I mean, thank you for doing this. And then all I gotta do is come out here and clean this up. But yeah, this is my motorcycle track, basically, you know, just everywhere through here. But it actually did a lot of work for me. So as long as we don't get any more damage, like due to wind and stuff like that, I'm good, you know? But yeah, I've got my bus there, and like I said, prayer works. I said a prayer, and God was like, all right, I'm gonna put a force field, and awesome, right? And then, yeah. Cool. Cool so far, right? All right, you guys have a good day. Stay safe. Go outside and check your stuff. Like I said, I just had my car cover come off the van. It was up in the tree, and it was insane. So, just looking around, making sure everything's good before I go back inside.